Hi business owners, this is your coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my series named Kya Karu, specially recorded for you. Now I often hear from business owners, especially automotive dealerships. They say I do a lot of marketing, I generate a lot of inquiry, but most of these inquiries turn out to be useless and I am wasting my money and effort. मैं क्या करूं? Now, I'm very glad that you are doing good marketing. It's important that you generate leads. I'm sure that your marketing efforts are appropriate to the segment that you are selling to. For instance, if you are selling a commuter two-wheeler, you perhaps doing a lot of marketing in colleges, IT parks, big offices, and maybe some semi-urban areas from where people have to commute to cities. And if you are selling a recreation bike, perhaps you are going to high-end societies, you are going to financially well-off places like five-star hotels or big malls, expensive designer malls, etc. Similarly, I'm sure you are doing your digital marketing also on platforms which are appropriate to the segment that you are attacking. I'm also very certain, a business owner, that you have appropriate training programs for your salespeople. I'm sure your principal or the OE manufacturer that you represent makes sure of that. So all these elements of marketing mix, I'm certain you are giving a lot of attention to. Let me talk about one area today which I find is often neglected. I'm using the word neglected, which is strong. And that area is, what is the process in your organization to qualify a lead? I hear, for instance, high-end product, expensive product, car, for instance, you're getting 1,000 leads a month. Now, some places, there is somebody making a telecall to these leads and then, trying to assess which is authentic, which is not authentic, and then passing on the authentic leads to the salespeople. In some other dealerships, I find all the leads are given to various salespeople, and it is their job to find out now which is authentic lead and which is not authentic lead. Now, I am at this stage not propagating one method against the other. The point that I am making is that have you given enough attention to this very important procedure? Because, if you have, for instance, qualified a authentic lead as unauthentic and nobody is following up with that person, so in today's competitive world, what will happen to it? Some other competitor would follow up and you would have lost the business. So you spent the marketing money, you actually were lucky enough to get the lead in your funnel, but you simply threw it away. On the other hand, if lots of unauthentic leads are passed on to the salespeople, they are expensive people, you pay huge salaries to them, and then they are spending their valuable time and effort and resource, to follow up on leads which ultimately don't turn out to be authentic. And in the process, there again, some authentic leads suffer because they just don't have enough time. 1,000 leads a month coming to a team of 15-20 salespeople, they can't handle it. So therefore, business owner, you need to sit down with your team and create a very foolproof process of how to qualify a lead. Do not neglect this area. Now, as I said that I'm sure you're doing a lot of product training, I'm sure you're doing a lot of training how to convert leads, how to generate leads, but do you train the people on how to qualify a lead? Now, let me just quote a few examples. So let's say you are selling an expensive car, a 40-50 lakh car. You do a lot of digital marketing, you will have young students also who will sort of just out of sheer interest make an inquiry. And you will have some very, rich people or even rich children of rich people. So, you may have a process, for instance, that your telecallers will first call every inquiry. Have you trained them what questions to ask? For instance, during their conversation, do they know how to slip in questions like, what other cars do you own? What do you do, sir? Or what do you do, ma'am? Do come to our showroom and we would be very happy to give you a test drive. Ask a simple question, sir. Sir, are you comparing this car with any other product, and just check whether they know other products of this value. So these are simple questions which you can train your people to ask in a non-offensive manner, so that the process of qualifying a lead becomes robust. Now, generally, I would not suggest that all leads should go to the salespeople and then they should do this process, because that would waste a lot of time of a trained salesperson. But you could have a set of people who are in the pre-sales process or in the pre-follow-up process, who are qualified enough and smart enough and trained enough to follow some set of process which makes sure that you don't lose an authentic lead and you don't pass on an unauthentic lead to your expensive salesperson. So to summarize, business owners, while you focus a lot on training, marketing, which is great, which has to be done, please give your personal attention, depending on the business that you are in and the segments that you are selling to, and debate, discuss and finalize a very robust process to qualify the leads which come in your organization. If you do that, I am certain your cost of selling will come down, your conversion rates will improve, effectiveness and productivity of salespeople will improve, and overall, with all these improvements, your numbers will improve. So I hope this Kya Karu talk on how to qualify leads will help you to set up this process at your dealerships, and you will do much more business at much lower cost. Thank you very much.